Right, welcome guys. Joe is going to teach me the dirt bounce. Alright. Right, guys, so today we're going to Vetti's family home, which is near to our family home in St. Catherine, Jamaica. So she's taking us on this journey through what's that road called? Bogwalk Gorge, the famous Bogwalk Gorge. Some of it doesn't look familiar at all, guys, especially this bridge that we just passed on. I don't remember that at all being there. But anyway, she's going to take us there. We're going to spend the day, hopefully early night as well. We're not into late nights. You won't see us boogieing anywhere at night. Nights for sleeping, that's what we believe. So we're going to meet up with her family. We're going to have a fun day at their family home. We're also hoping that we will get to go look at our family home, or family church, or river, or famous little Logan River. We're hoping to be able to see it. And we've taken also some essentials that we need to give us ladies a little spa session. So hopefully we'll get that in also. And I'm hoping that I get to drive through Linstead town. You know that famous song about my community? Carry me a kid go Linstead market. Not a quatty would sell. Carry me a kid go Linstead market. Not a quatty would sell. Yes, so that's where we're heading. We're hoping to have a really fun day. We're going to see lots of sights and experience lots on the way. We have seen so far the muddy waters of the Gorge River. I'm not sure what river it's called, but we just said the Gorge River because it is around the Bogwalk Gorge. So enjoy the journey with us, guys, and enjoy the fun when we get there.
Why me not see water this one?
Now we're approaching Flatbridge. Famous Flatbridge where many have lost their lives.
Oh my God.
There's a queue. Yes, so this is the famous Flatbridge.
Hey, here we go on Flatbridge.
So we're on the bridge now, actually on the bridge. Water both sides. And although no rain fell in St. Catherine, but there's lots of rain in St. Mary. Yeah.
Muddy.
So that's one place we have to pass every day for 5 years to go to high school. Yeah. Thanks, Julie. Thanks. So we got to Vetti's house nice and safely. We met all the family members. We exchanged pleasantries. And then we were dealt some mangoes. So as you know, we had to deal with them properly. So we had about 6 or so mangoes presented to us. They were washed. We had a paper towel. Jo put up her rag under her neck so that her top don't get messed up. And we dealt dutifully with those mangoes before we did anything else. And I love this feeling when you go back to Jamaica. Everybody just know that you long to eat mango, you long to eat some other fruits too, and you long to eat patty. So they always try to look out for those and help you along. So here almost every place where we go, people just treat us to mangoes, which is highly appreciated. So after the mango session, guys, it was time for the ceremonial washing of the feet. In other words, we had a spa day. So we had what we called a foot shell. So Vetty, Joe, and I, we set up a big piece of carpet on the lawn, got lots of hot water transferred from the house out to here, put our feet in, as well as, you know, the things that we brought to put in the water. And then we had a good soak, chatted, reminisced about old time, sang some lovely songs that were being played that I hope YouTube will allow us to have now. I've taken the sound off, so I'm hoping that it will be good. But it was a lovely session, guys. Really nice to just sit, chill, relax. We were under a tree, under a big coconut tree laden with coconut. Unfortunately, we didn't get any of that coconut that day, but it was all good. After a little while, guys, the foot washing ceremony was halted because there appeared in our little community a van that sold ice cream, Devon House ice cream. In our days, we used to have to go to actual Devon House. Well, now there are vans that drive around and sell Devon House ice cream. So this is the house we lived in as a child, well, as children. It was a tenement yard. You see this one on the right with the pink bottom and yellow top? We used to live there, and it attached to several other houses on the left and round in that little mini corner there, pink house with a little blue behind it. Whole lot of houses, and behind there was a abattoir. We used to call it slaughterhouse, where they killed animals for food. Yeah, that's our house. Yeah, still in good condition though. All right, moving on. Yeah. Oh yeah, this gone up. Yeah, this was our church. Oh, the gate wouldn't be open. During the week. This is where we spent our days going to church and spend lots of Saturday nights at social at church. It's much bigger though. When we were here, it was just one story. Yeah, lots of memories. Into Linstead town, which is my hometown, on Easter Monday. So Easter Monday, getting a little drive through the town.
Remember where the book center was?
Yes.
It's a Rhea Medical Center there now. Scotia, the good old Scotia still here.
You know, if go so far, so slow, yeah. We can see it though, they pick up everything.
I come and listen after. So suppose more take my time and look. Eh? Who cares? I'm not responsible for the man behind me. I'm responsible for the man in front of me, so I'm doing looking at back. I'm not responsible for me. I can't see back at me. I'm not in a river. I know what you mean. Remember the plaza here?
Yeah. And this juicy patty and juice I sell out yourself.
Yeah, Workers Bank was over,
so,
remember?
Oh, patty, yeah. You know, over there again.
Workers Bank? They're back to the again, man. Workers Bank to the again, man.
Police, so, what if
Mama's,
me?
Mama's Charlie?
Yes, my Charlie shop.
Him tap me now. And I back of me mouth tap. You think I'm in mouth tap? Man back of me mouth tap. Me tell you, say I'm in mouth tap. It's a back. Market gates are front.
Back.
No, front. See big sign there? See there?
Really?
Yeah. Welcome. Can't welcome to the back of the market. Azan. Wait, I want to come up here.
Azan Super Center. Where was the patty shop and the
Azan
bread?
down there, so two Azan now.
See Azan's here, Azan.
Ken's.
And Dixon's, you remember Dixon's?
Dixon's still there. And they have expanded, they've gone way up. They've expanded and stuff. Quartz still here. Quartz is down there, Quartz is now up here. Quartz is that yellow building. See it up
I
here.
was in Azan one day when gunman came in one Christmas.
You are joking.
Yeah,
Azan.
right in there.
Here, sir?
Yes.
I did that first. Me hear that.
Azan Super Center.
Wow, that must be
Me
a
never
long
get
time
to see
ago.
them. Me turn my face to the person who serve me. But me see something go on behind me and it's scary bad and they look terrified and everybody just you know, like I tell you, just can't go, just can't go, just can't. And I never look around, And then they say him run out. Get him money.
Beat him.
No,
Get
you're
it
so in
done.
Logan Lane. That one we just passed.
I didn't know we were going. I was heading like for Jericho and Cheesy. That's the only place I go when I come down there. I remember so I go Logan.
If you turn left on this one.
If I am going to turn it.
If but nor maybe.
Hey! The dead Nally there. Patrick that? Patrick!
Go on.
One!
You know, say enough with Dana, sir. If you get up, sure. I take too much. I told him to take. Yeah. Take me handful, let me just start again. Take me have the same 7.
So
No,
they are
sir.
10,
This
12.
not right.
No, you can't play at the same time.
I think
You
so.
just take it up.
Let me
No?
play. Yeah,
No, you
man.
can't play. You don't know if you hold it.
If you hold it.
If you hold it,
That's a your turn.
Yeah,
Your
and
go
your
is
turn
take
to
up
take
take up one. So you can have 2 go
Ah,
as you take up your
What
play.
that means if you take up, I mean, understand.
If
If you don't have the
player.
color.
You take up on a 5 pack.
Yeah.
You don't have
You
a player.
can't play. You
You
want to hold
can,
it.
yeah.
Huh?
Your go.
What that, 6?
Vetty!
I bet you know, that's your pig glue.
Nine.
What?
6 that.
I'm
Six,
going
me, I
to
give you
glue.
9. Yeah, no, you understand.
Uno.
What? Bad sign.
What do you know what that means?
No, I mean, no, it's not right. Don't have some, I mean, me have
What,
so much.
You're a draw 2 or a draw 4.
Pick. Here you go. Pick. What you look at the hand? Pick.
Win. And take up 2. No, so we can decide.
Barry, come in there and show them. Barry.
Come on. Yeah. Yeah.
Barry. Come on, this. Yeah. Hold that. Your waistline. Make sure you can see that someone, right? When there? We can't see. Me not see. I mean myself, me I see. I myself, me I see. Turn it around.
Hey,
Yeah, yeah.
we
Yeah,
come again.
yeah.
We come again. We come again.
Yeah. Show them his style.
Come on, come let girl.
Hey, 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 hey. Hip, hip, hip. Go on, bust it there, Lisa and John. Bust it, Lisa. Bust it, bust it, bust it.
Watch out. I don't know.
Hey, hey, hey. Come Barry, leg of the bird. Look at the bird. Look at the bird.
Guys, we had so much fun.
What a blast.
Anyway, man, dancing, we sweated into the night with learning these dirt bones moves and Lego the bird. Well, I hope you are fully and thoroughly entertained. Sorry we can't, share all of the music because we don't want to get into trouble with Mr. YouTube, but trust me, almost everybody got onto the dance floor eventually. We did several other songs. Tell us in the comments if you think we got the dirt bones good and the Lego the bird. I think we need some more practice, but it's not bad at all.